To invoice on Xero, start by navigating to the Invoices tab in the main menu. From here, click on the New Invoice button to create a new invoice. First, select the customer you are invoicing from your contacts list or add a new customer if they are not already in your system. Next, enter the invoice date and due date. The invoice date is the date you are issuing the invoice, and the due date is the date by which the customer needs to pay the invoice. You can also add a reference number if needed. Now, add the items you are invoicing for by selecting from your existing inventory or adding a new item. For each item, enter the quantity, unit price, and any applicable tax rates. Xero will automatically calculate the total cost. If you need to add any additional charges, such as shipping or handling, you can do so by clicking on the Add Line button. You can also apply any discounts or promotions if applicable. Once you have added all the necessary items, review the invoice to ensure everything is accurate. You can also add a message or note to the customer if needed. Finally, click on the Approve button to approve the invoice and then click on the Send button to send the invoice to the customer via email. You can also save the invoice as a draft if you need to come back to it later. It is also important to keep track of your invoices and follow up with customers who have not paid. Xero allows you to easily see which invoices are overdue and send reminders to customers. Best practices for invoicing on Xero include setting up recurring invoices for regular customers, using invoice templates to save time, and tracking inventory levels to ensure you are not overselling products. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently and effectively manage your invoicing process on Xero.